Welcome everyone, Dr. Mandel here. There's one thing that we cannot get away from, and that is called degeneration. As we age, we degenerate. Many of us degenerate much too fast. Today I want to share with you some natural superfoods to help lubricate those joints, to reduce inflammation, to work as strong antioxidants, to preserve those joints in the future, and to keep you feeling healthy. Make sure you're eating those dark green leafy vegetables. If it's your broccoli, your kale, your spinach, your green beans, or your Brussels sprouts, they contain carotenoids, which are antioxidants. These foods will preserve the cartilage in the joint and slow down that degeneration. Your oily fishes like salmon, sardines, herring are excellent natural anti-inflammatories because they're filled with omega-3 fatty acids. If you're not a fish eater, krill oil supplementation can also be an asset for you. My favorite superfruit is the avocado. It's low in sugar, it fights joint inflammation, it promotes cartilage repair, it contains many antioxidant monounsaturated fatty acids. Start using your turmeric. It contains one of the strongest anti-inflammatory ingredients called curcumin. This is proven to reduce your inflammation and take away pain. Extra virgin olive oil is not only good for the heart, but it blocks inflammation. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, so eat those olives. Your joints will thank you. If you really want to bring taste to your food, start eating your onions and garlic. Garlic and onions limits the effects of pro-inflammatory cytokines. This will help fight the pain, inflammation, and cartilage damage. Grapefruit is also great for the joints. It's filled with vitamin C and bioflavonoids. This reduces inflammation and strengthens the cartilage. Your yogurt and kefir contains probiotics. Probiotics will increase the healthy flora of your intestine. This keeps your immune system strong, decreasing inflammation. Eat those walnuts and Brazil nuts. Walnuts are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduces inflammation. Brazil nuts are high in selenium, which improves the quality of the cartilage proteins. Drink your green tea. It's filled with polyphenols. It has one of the strongest anti-inflammatory properties. Your joints will also benefit from its potent antioxidant effects. And eat those berries. It contains antioxidant anthocyanins that helps reduce inflammatory chemicals in your body. And if you like chocolate, go for the dark chocolate. It's packed with antioxidants that reduces inflammation. And it's the flavonols that are responsible for dark chocolate's anti-inflammatory effects, as this will also help cardiovascular issues, keeping the endothelial lining of the cells healthy, preventing atherosclerosis, plaquing of those arteries. And cherries are delicious and rich in antioxidants. It's the anthocyanins and the catechins that will decrease inflammation throughout your entire body. And beets are rich in nitrates, which reduce inflammation by removing harmful compounds from your bloodstream. And those nitrates in beets are converted to nitric oxide, which is a vasodilator that will lower blood pressure and allow more circulation to get throughout all the cells to your body. And your colorful peppers, like chili pepper, cayenne pepper, is filled with capsaicin, and this will significantly reduce inflammation within the joints, as well as help your cardiovascular system. So choose these foods wisely. Start incorporating them into your diet, and your joints will thank you. Please share this information with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.